Alright, everyone, welcome to today's stream. I hope y'all are doing well. Currently looking at JDZG. Just had this false breakout and jackknife down below view app. I'm gonna go wash my face really quick. JZXN with a crypto-related headline. Um, we've seen this stock pop up before. I don't know if I. Yeah, I lost on it. I think this is on the do not trade list, anyways. Oh wait, I traded this yesterday, right? No.
Skin color or where you're from. We are all in America, and it's about
Oh shoot, my mic is muted. What's good, gang? Come on, man. I haven't traded yet, so no trades yet for me. But hopefully soon. Back to back dubs, man. Just waiting it out here. There's really nothing that is even moving, so it's not like I can take a trade, to be honest. MLEC, why did that not go off? Dude, this just popped up $1 a share. Are you kidding? What the heck? Yeah, bro, gotta find. Cosmic Carp said, gotta find the right stock first. That's right, bro. I swear there's been nothing moving today, but this thing just popped like $1 a share, or $2. I missed that because my scanner wasn't making sound. It's on the wrong audio. I'm gonna wait to see this hold up. Doesn't seem like we've been getting a second move in this market. And if I take a trade on this, it's with 1 share, not 5, because the range is obviously higher. This stock has a float of 500,000 shares. 45%. Still like $1 a share higher than where it opened. I'm debating whether I take an entry around here. There's sellers there at 85. We'll wait for it to dip down to the 9 EMA and see what it does. The thing is, there's not a lot of. I don't know about this. No way. I'm stopping out. I'm okay with that. It's struggling, so I feel like the idea was there, but like I might leave it at that. To be honest, I don't want to overtrade. It's holding though. That's the only thing, bro. I knew it. I knew it. But then it just doesn't pull away. That's the only issue. Like, I don't know, bro. Needs to break above this pivot and hold. So 71. Is my voice low? I don't know if I'm speaking low or my mic is low. Let me check. Is this better? Maybe we can give him audio tips after he on a break. Oh, I'm just started trading. I just started trading, and I'm gonna follow you. How long you been trading? I've been trading for about a year now. Like I think we're coming up to like the year mark for me. Um, yeah, bro, he sounds like he knows what he's doing. Okay, yeah, I'll try to get closer if I can. Actually, I'll change this to my headset, and I'm gonna plug my mic in. I feel like it's gonna. What the heck? Bro. There it is. Hold on. I'm gonna turn on the mic for this headset. There's a false breakout right there. Alright. Hello? Okay, let me know if this is better or if that's too loud or. I'm also gonna listen to this and see. Better? Okay. Bet. Okay. I think I'm gonna start using the headset mic, but we'll see. Unless I can fix this. Yo. Oh my gosh, this thing just pulled away. Oh, I could have taken a dip there at 50. But we'll wait for a setup here. I was gonna say a false breakout on the 10-second, but I don't know if this is gonna work. Yeah. Oh, I got filled like basically on a dip there. Wait, no, I didn't do that. I meant to get filled at 10, but okay. That's a big topping tail. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. All right. Well, it's unfortunate I kind of missed this, but I don't know if I would have even jumped in, uh, or it moved too quickly. We'll see. I'll watch the replay. There's a bull flag there, but it's topping tail here, so I would leave it. Yeah, man, I do one-on-one mentorships. I'm set I'm setting up my Instagram, and if you're interested, I'll leave a link in my YouTube account, uh, where you can reach out. Just kidding. I don't do mentorships right now, um, to be honest with you. But if you did reach out, like, I'm always happy to teach you. I do think I'll start a Discord though, where uh, people can learn, and we just have kind of a community where people can talk. I don't know. I'd have to see what my viewers think, but yeah, if they're interested, I'd be happy to do that. And for my progress so far, it's been it's been a year, like I said, and I would just say like it's been really good. It looks like it's about to break year. Um, so there's the break. But I just feel like being in the market kind of, you know, getting to figure myself out, how I react emotionally to wins and losses. I've progressed a lot for sure. But I think the thing with trading is like if you come into trading and you actually try to succeed, you will not be the same person. Thanks, man. Thank you. That means a lot. so it doesn't seem like it was able to hold there. Um, Obviously we had the risk of this topping tail, so not the greatest setup here, but I appreciate it, Cosmic Carp. That means a lot, man. I appreciate it. I'm happy to help you answer any questions if you have any, man. I love talking about this, so I enjoy doing it. So, what I'm trading right now, I just trade equities, so and I'm only trading before I only trade pre-market and a little bit of market open. So after the market is closed, I don't touch any stocks or anything like that, even if it's moving, because there's just there's a window where I've decided that I will trade, and I don't know, I haven't really deviated from that a lot. And when I do, it doesn't go well. So I think it's best to just stay within the seven, well, yeah, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. for me, but Eastern Standard Time is 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Looks like we're getting a pop here. Yeah, that I think it could go higher too, but if this closes like a shooting star, then we're not gonna get. Nah, I don't think that's good. But we'll see. Just sit and watch. We've been in a colder market, so um, I guess this is good to see. The price action is a little bit weird, to be honest, but it's good to see something making a big move like this. I did just miss this, so that's I don't know if that's price action or me. I don't know if that would have been easy to predict or not, to be honest, but I mean this is a kind of a 10-second setup here. I missed the initial pop here for $2. That's crazy. Yeah, definitely opportunity. Save popped up, but nothing really interesting. MTVA is popping up a little bit cheaper, and then we have this false breakout here, kind of. It's a red shooting star. I must have traded this a while ago because I haven't used these black lines in a while. Yeah, this is like when I just started. April. Okay, this was a while ago, yeah. MLEC tap VWAP here. I think this thing will rip at the open for sure. If it holds above VWAP, well, I think it'll definitely make a good move at the open. May even halt up as well. I should have drawn this out earlier, but so yeah, the next level is at 13, 1296, but and then 14. So oh, I knew it, bro. I knew that was gonna happen. Oh my gosh. I just wanted to get in there for the quick pop, and I'm out. I could have held it, but since I already went red on the day, just wanted to get in and get green. So $137 a year ago. Yeah, that's actually crazy. That is crazy. It did just tap that, or it got close to that daily level. Still one share, Ryan. Uh, yeah, still one share. But I kind of switched the, uh, what you want to call it, challenge from one share to, it depends on like the range of the stock. So, for example, this stock, I just made 40 cents on one trade with one share. Um, so with a stock that doesn't have a range like this, I would probably take 5 shares so that it would kind of balance out. Thank you, I appreciate it. I did see that original pop there. Like I saw it holding 50 over here, and I was thinking like, okay, we have a 10-second setup here. We're right around 50. If this continues to hold, then I think we're gonna pull away, and it pulls away and goes up $1 a share. It's unfortunate. I missed that, but I can't complain for being green, especially when I took more trades than I was actually supposed to. But when we're getting a move like this, I can't miss out on this, you know. As long as I'm keeping the amount of trades uh, relatively low, I'm okay with that. And I'm not like over trading when I'm red, you know. Tap 50 there, but rejected. The 9 is at 67, 63. PFSA just popped up, but I don't know if that's just algo spike or what. IRE, this popped up the other, oh my gosh. Hold on. I don't want to get rid of this on, it's forming this nice bull flag here, but I'm going to try to change this really quickly. LEC. Okay, that just dumped, but IRE. This one popped up the other day, and it's popping up again. It's back above the 200 on the 5. The 1 minute is cut off here, but I think I'm going to just pull up IRE on this chart because this looks like it's reversing. I don't know what it's going to do. Let's see what it does off the 9 EMA. Okay, that's good. That's good to see, but holding above 11, which is good. I reckon it's gonna go here. No follow through though. Yeah, it's a false breakout. I don't think that this is in play until the open. Actually, I don't know. I could be wrong. Could just be another one of these and then it decides to go right there. See, that's the thing. Like, it already had this kind of false breakout here and it was just consolidating and then, I mean, I wouldn't have really expected it to go here, but we were curling a little bit. IRE just sold off to not good to see, but this is still holding the 9 EMA. I don't know if it's gonna break or what, but That's a terrible candle right here. So yes sir, yes sir. Testing the levels. IRE just popped back up too. It's up 11 cents in this candle, but still that sharp sell-off is not, I don't know, I don't like it. The top left, yes, this is level 2, and this is the time and sales right here. Level 2, we can just see the big orders, so we want to see, as a long bias trader, we want to see big buyers here, and we want to see, so you can tell the color variant, or the gradient, I mean, um, it tells you which side is heavier. Like if there's more buyers, then obviously there'll be more of the uh, darker shade blue, and but right now, see the ask is a little bit, but it's not like this is not like a huge imbalance or anything. It's pretty even. Got you, man. Got you. This is up $5. Wow, it's great to see this. MLEC is like the most obvious stock right now. The relative volume is 17,000% times usual. Or 17,422% of what it usually is. So that'd be 170 times usual. I don't know why that took me so long. Uh, I don't know what country. Yeah. These when a stock has relative volume like that, it's most likely the one everyone is looking at. We're gonna look. Luxembourg company. Interesting. Healthcare company. A really low float too. Popping up here. Just tap 49 there, 50. Yeah. So now once it's done this shooting star candle once, you really have to be careful because it will do it again. It's a false breakout. We don't like to see that. I'm gonna check their filings. I want to see if they have a shelf registration. DBGI. I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades unless it's on MLEC. Because right now this is the most obvious stock, and I don't know. Unless we have something else that pops up like crazy at the open. But alright, Brian. Thanks for coming. Great to have you as always, man. See ya. NCI is pulling up, pulling away. The spreads are really big, so. To be honest, um, I think the simulator is something you can use to like figure out hotkeys and figure out until you've figured out exactly what everything means, like what exactly what everything you're looking at means. I would trade the simulator. Once you've figured out like, okay, this is the level two, this is what the order means, this is what the green orders mean, this is what the white orders mean. This means through the spread. White orders mean through the spread. Green at the ask, and then highlighted green is above the ask. Red is on the bid. Um, Dark red is below the bid. Anyways, so once you figured out what everything on the chart means and you know what you're looking at, then I would switch to real money with very small size, like one share. One share is all you need. And what one share is going to help you do is help you see how much you're making cents per share, and then you can adjust your strategy accordingly. See what you're doing well with, see what you're not doing well with. But also, like trading with one share is going to be like you trading with the simulator again, except obviously you have a couple of pennies on the line, so it's different in that way. But it's better because you get realistic fills, um, and you have sort of I get it's not going to be like any amount that gets you super emotional, but there's that I guess psychological connection between money actually being on the line and your trading. So that will that will help you develop faster, I think. So yeah, just do simulator for a little bit until you understand like what all the things are that you're looking at. And once you can read news and understand like okay, this is good, this is bad, whatever. That also just comes with time as well. Um, but if you know the filings and everything, uh, then that will help you. But that's not, I mean, that's important to an extent. MLEC is popping up again. Dip down there. Currently, is it going to just give back the whole move? It needs to break above this pivot. Like, if it doesn't, then it's not really that interesting. Here's a 10-second setup for me. Let's see if it works. A bull flag, possibly. This first candle make a new high here. It's at 11, so I think some people will jump in here, but I don't know. It's not holding. Okay, now we're holding 11. We're at the 90 man, the 5 or 10 second. Nah, that doesn't look good on the 1 minute chart. You never know with the markets, man. This could still pull away, so we'll see. Oof, nope. Yeah, no. Yeah. Poker for sure. Yeah, that will get to you. There's a few simulators you can do. Um, Personally, I like to get my stuff for free. The Weeble one works pretty good. There's just sometimes there's certain things that it just is not very good at, but it works. It gets the job done. And I think it's until you get to real size or like real money, it will do. I think it'll do. There's also this I just found out about. It's called Trade the Pool. Shout out to Brian Smith. Oh my gosh, there's a spider on my wall. Oh my gosh. I do not mess with spiders. Hold on, hold on. Sorry. Yo, that's a massive spider. Right back, chat. spiders. Come on, don't get it twisted. I'm still furious, but got him out of here. Weebo has a free one. I like free too. Yes. The skincare routine. I'll drop that in a second. Hold on, I gotta help my boy out. Uh, yeah, bro, that is wolf spiders. Hold on, what is that? I've never even heard of that. That sounds okay, crazy. Yeah, I don't do spiders, man. Spiders. And I don't often see them in my room, which is why I'm kind of surprised there was one in here. I'm wondering where he came from. Oh my gosh. Bro, y'all have that? Bro, this is what y'all have there? Nah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'll tell you the okay. That's crazy. That's kind of like I would I don't know. Anyways, this is Trade the Pool. Shout out to Brian Smith. He actually put me onto this. Uh Bro, that's crazy. Nah, bro. I might have crashed the car if that was me. Like I'm so for real. All right, so we have Trade the Pool. This is okay, it's taking a minute to load. I don't know. Why does it do this? Don't know. But I don't know. I was trying to figure this out the other day, but I don't know. Like you kind of it's kind of interesting the way it works. I still haven't figured it out fully, but it's a free simulator and it looks really legit. Like the interface is good. Um, so you can check this out. I'll try to figure the simulator out and make a video about it if you're interested. Um, but I mean, let's pull up a stock on here so we can see how. Matter of fact, I can just do it right now. Like this, we'll try and trade here. Let me see if the hotkeys work. Okay, I think it's point and click. Okay. So if I do a limit order like above this, or can I do that? It would be at, okay. So that should have filled, yeah, so that filled. And then let's see how to sell. You really, it's kind of manual. I don't know. The hotkeys are really weird. I don't know. I don't love using this. I don't like pointing and clicking. I think like their hotkey should just, yeah. It's decent. It's decent. I'm gonna try to figure out if there's a way to just buy and sell just by doing the hotkey because I really don't like. Let's see if my sell hotkey works. All right, so we're jumping in there, and then all right, we'll do this. Why did it sell it? No. Why is it selling at 25? See, like this is the stuff I don't really understand sometimes. Like I thought it was point and click, but it's not. Like what? Like mouse move hotkeys? Are you talking about uh like mouse button hotkeys? Is that what you're asking? Like you can use anything. Like if you wanted to use, I don't know if you know like the stream decks, you could use those as hotkeys. You could use, there's a lot of things. Oh, macros. I know that from gaming. That's like when you program it to be like automatic. Is that what that is? Yeah, I think you can. I think you can, but let me see. I mean, I don't know. There's not like yeah, there's not like a set thing on this that says macros, but I mean there's hotkeys, so you know, if you set these up, I'm sure you can use an external software. Um, yeah, the workaround. Yeah, I mean, yeah. However you want to do it, it's fine. I would suggest that you do get used to using hotkeys on a keyboard though. I mean, if you want to travel while you're trading. But it's just I think it's just a helpful skill to have. However you like plan on doing it, just think about like where you're going to be trading and if you want to travel with trading, like what'd be the most ideal, most convenient, you know? hmm Because I was thinking about doing hotkeys for on a my hotkeys on like a stream deck, but then I was like, you know what? If I just bring my laptop somewhere, I don't really want to carry on another like gadget. I'd rather just have it be all there in one. I'm looking around my room for spiders now. It's not cool, bro. Not cool. Interface. Yeah, exactly, bro. Once you like understand everything, there's it's such a good feeling because you're like, dude, oh, they don't bite. Yeah, they could be the most friendly things ever, but just the way they look, man, something about it just scares me. But that is good. That is good though that they don't bite. At least there's that. But yeah, it is rewarding to learn this whole interface. It's very like dang, like because when I first came to this, it was very intimidating. I was like, what does all of this stuff mean? But once you start doing it for a while, it's like dang, like I know what I'm looking at now, you know? Like my dad will come to me and be like, "You understand any of that stuff?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I know what everything means here." So it's good. It's kind of fun in that way. hmm Yeah, bro. Trading is like my personal dream job. So, cause I was kind of like a gamer in the day back in the day, but don't get me wrong, I still game, but um, why is this here? But so sitting in front of a screen is nothing new to me. Like I enjoy learning, and this trading is really just it's like a game. I mean, it really kind of is. If you enjoy what you do, you'll never work a day in your life. Oh, wait, Ryan, I forgot to answer your question. Skincare routine. Um, I'm not gonna lie, gang. I just wake up in the morning and I put some cold water on my face, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, and then eat good food, exercise, coconut water. This will help. Good food, good drink, and stay active. Hmm. Pretty basic stuff, honestly, but I mean, sometimes that's all you need. Like trading, it's really just the basics. Stick to the basics, and you'll be fine. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Also, supplements may help. I don't know if it that plays a role in it, but I do take supplements. If y'all want me to drop the sauce, I got y'all. But if not, I'll just keep it to myself. It looks like we may curl back up here, but we do have this descending resistance line, so I don't know. We're above it now, but we also have to break over this pivot right here and possibly up here too. We'll see. On the freebie list, for scanners, uh, oh, there's one that's good. Um, Most of the ones that are like really good, you have to kind of pay for, but there is like a YouTube channel that is always free. It's called Zendoo, Zendoo. Oh, do you already? I don't know if you already know about them or not, but they're good. I mean, they're a good scanner. I even use them at the open because sometimes like they have this like screen at the top. Yeah, Zendoo. Um, they have this screen at the top and it says like the most like obvious stock. I don't know. It's just like the current. Yeah, it's a good scanner. That's what I used for a while. Now I use Charts Watcher, which is pretty good. But I'm gonna become affiliate, so whenever you want to go to Charts Watcher, let me know. I'm gonna give you that discount link. And really, the only like the the difference between um the YouTube one and ones that you pay for is it's just a little bit of a difference in like the speed of how quickly alerts go off because there's like a YouTube delay. That's the only thing, but it still works. It still works. And there's no like, yeah, there's no what's it called? Yeah, speed and filter. Yeah, you can't filter it because obviously it's YouTube. It's they're controlling it. So, but it gets the job done for sure. I'm not no doubt about that. So it doesn't look like it's respecting this right now. It looks like it's respecting maybe a different line. Is that it? I don't know. I do think though that if it breaks over this pivot here, this is at 1120, 1150. So that's just at that $0.50. I think we could make a move higher. And then we have one at 12 as well. So we're looking at 1120, 1150, and 12. I'm holding back since I'm already green, but and I went from red to green and it's supposed to be oh yeah. I saw the MACD, yeah, so I do use the MACD. That's a really helpful indicator. I mean, it's pretty easy to tell if a stock is pulling away or not, but you can see if it's like trending down, it's usually MACD is usually negative. But yeah, that oh my gosh. Dude, I'm getting FOMO right now. This just made like a 2 point move. And from where I was looking at 80, it went up $2. Wow. Yeah. Anyways, um I saw it holding 80 there and I was like, yo, this is gonna pull away. So I was like kind of iffy about it at first, but yeah, it's okay. I'm only using one share, so it's not like, I'm missing out on a whole bunch of money, but it is nice to get my cents per share up for sure. Yeah. Yeah, that's where level 2 comes in, so you can see like is it holding this level? Are people trying to dump shares but it's not dumping? That's what level 2 is really helpful for. So I was looking at the level 2 and saw it was holding 1080 there, and then it pops up to 11, and then we break through the pivot, and then it just shoots up. So those are like really subtle things that you can identify. I'll probably go over that in my recap too, so you guys can see it. Wait, so okay, Brian Smith, you profit target hit. That's good. That's good. That's good. So you hit your profit target. That's good, bro. That's good. That's what's up. That's what's up. I want to go back into the my stream and see that happen because that pop, I low key did see that coming. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what we like to hear. Yeah. Did you take it on MLEC? Simulated trade? Okay, that's what's up. That's what's up. Dude, this is great to see though. This um I mean we're seeing momentum here, so momentum is good. Especially this cold market we've been in, so it's good to see this and maybe things are starting to shift back towards hot. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Add it to the log. Yeah, MLC is very, very bullish. Oh, I didn't have my headset on, so you guys couldn't hear my commentary when I was talking about it before it popped up. Ah, wait, did I put my headset on? Please tell me I did. Please tell me I did. On the volume spike, are you talking about like right before this this pop right here when we were at 80? Hold on, let me see. Okay, yeah. So, what's it called? So first we were holding 80, and the pivot right here it was this pivot right here at 1120 um was not that far away. So we were 40 cents away. Obviously, this stock has range. 40 cents is not a problem for it. Um, and I saw this holding 80. So I was originally this candle popped up and then it went red and I was like, okay, well, that doesn't really look good. But then as it started to drop down, we had the 9 EMA here as support. Let me see. Oh wait, yeah, 9 EMA was support. It started to go red. And then I'm looking at the level 2 and it doesn't look like it's breaking below 80. So you guys can see you'll see my voice or like my mouth moving when it taps 80 right there. $11.75. Dude, nice. Nice, bro. Yeah, you probably caught a nice move on that, Brian. Nice, bro. A freaking dollar share. That's what's up. Yes. Enthusiasm is back. Duvan, you're up 26 or 27,000, dude. That's crazy. That is crazy. That's what's up. Good job, man. Good job. But yeah, sorry. Back to your question, Cosmic, on that volume spike, we were right. I mean, we had broke above this previous pivot right here, so that was good. And now we were holding above 80. So we needed to see it hold above 80, and then we got the push there. It went up to 1297. So it literally tapped this daily level that I had drawn out earlier. That's why it's really helpful to have these levels drawn out. And we had a double top there actually. Yeah. All you heard was order filled. Yeah. That's good, man. That's good. That's the best feeling. And you know the stock was bullish, so it's like, let's go. That's a dub. That's a dub. Yeah, man. And you took profit at a good point. I mean, it went a little bit higher, but after that it just kind of rejected from this daily level. Um, but yeah, that's good. It's good to see like, I mean, obviously I would have liked if it had gone higher, but it's kind of good to see that this level was important and I had that drawn out. I'm just watching this back. Hold on. Atom is popping back up. I knew MLEC was going to be still the most obvious, and we'd probably see more opportunity on it because I mean, it really just is the most obvious right now. Bought it along the 90 MA. Yeah, that's smart. This was very bullish, so buying at the 90 MA is definitely a good call. It's following structure. Well, I don't know the words yet. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, it's I think what you're trying to say maybe is like it's respecting these levels. Like respecting the I mean daily level 90 MA. Those are the like quote unquote levels, I guess. 9% is supposed to be the average of all my profit targets. That's good. That's good, man. Yeah, that's if you're growing, yeah, 9%, you're gonna make some quick growth, dude. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No worries. Yeah, so the low on this candle right here before that big pop was 1178. And I was like, okay, well, it doesn't want to break 80. So LEC is hitting the scanner. Yeah, man. As soon as you can make associations, man, that's a great way to learn. Okay, for sure, yeah. Hop on the sim. Let me know how it's going. If you need help, I'm here. But yeah, hop on that sim, dude, and just get to learning. That's really all you need. Looks like we're forming a bull flag here, kind of near the open. I think it'll definitely rip at the open, but we'll see. You never know. You don't want to see too much of a sell-off here. Ideally, I think it'll, if it's gonna rip, it'll either like be a doji candle here or something, or we'll see a slight move up already. It isn't holding 11 though, which I do not like, or the 9 EMA or 20 EMA. It's good, man. That's good, good, good. I don't even think there's any point in focusing on anything else because this is most likely going to be where all the tension is going. And MELC 9:30 is about, it is a minute away. The MACD is negative, so it's not ideal, but my gosh, why is it glitching? The heck? Oh, I don't know. Part of me wants to take an entry, but I know this is risky, so I don't think I should. It's gonna go. It's gonna rip. Is it? Ooh, that's not good. That's not good. But people were buying there at 1050 though. Okay, this is the typical 930 volatility. So this may not be super significant, but we'll see. Oh, okay. As I said before, it'll go here, I think. I don't know. No? I guess not. I'm really surprised that this didn't pull away at the open. I do suppose that we've kind of. Oh my gosh. Need to slow down. CRSR popped up. It's a float on CRSR. 46 million shares. um, bids were pushing away. Yeah, yeah. That's good. You're learning. You're learning. Am I gonna take any more trades? I don't think so. I was, like I said before, I don't think I was gonna take another trade unless it was on MLEC or MLEC. Um, because this is the most obvious stock, and anything else, uh, I don't know. It just doesn't feel like this is halted down now. I think, yeah, it's halted down. So this is out of play, and CRSR is too high of a flow. The bottom line is I just said that I'm not going to take any more trades if it's not on MLEC. So I'm going to call it a green day and leave it at that. NCI. And this is right at 3. We have some sellers there. Just broke through that though. No problem. Oh, this has some range on it for its price. Oh, that's not good. NCI. Okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna ban Ryan BH. Two trying to convince me to overtrade. We're gonna put you on a timeout here, so you guys can see. We're gonna go ahead and go here. Put user in timeout. Yo, chat. How long does he deserve? How long does he deserve for timeout? Because he's trying to convince me to overtrade. We'll do 5 minutes. We'll do 5 minutes. Gotta be smarter, man. Gotta be smarter than that. Yo, I'm ending the stream soon anyway, so no big deal. Alrighty, y'all. I think that is gonna conclude today's stream. I hope y'all enjoyed and learned something. Great to have you, Cosmic Carp, and anybody else who's watching. Brian Smith, great to have you. Of course, man, of course. Look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. And with that, peace. I'll see you guys in my recap. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my recap if you watch. All right, peace.